Oh my god. Why does the head feel like real?
Tina, do you like your friends? Look at your friends.
Is it scary? This video is sponsored by Wish. I bought babies online. That sounds so wrong. Last time in my other Wish video, I bought a bunch of slime supplies and I asked you guys what other stuff do you want to see me buy on Wish, because like I mentioned in the last video, they literally have everything you can possibly think of on there. I saw a bunch of comments on the babies and for a second, I don't know, I feel like people are gonna think on my title that I bought like actual real life human beings on Wish. It was actually so easy, too easy to find these dolls on Wish. By the way, do not forget to get the app because it is the easiest to use. So many options of different price ranges. I was like, you know what? We're gonna get the cheapest doll possible on here, and then we're gonna get the most expensive one, and then we're gonna get one that's like in the middle. I actually filtered mine to just show me expedited shipping with a little truck icon so that every time I buy, I'm shopping expedited shipping. I got all my dolls and we are ready to unbox. I'm so nervous. There's definitely a lot of weird, unique stuff on Wish. I mean, these baby dolls, I feel like it's as weird as I get, but there is so many weird things on Wish. Fun things that I'm actually like kind of down for. So comment down below what other weird stuff I should buy. You see all these videos of like $1 Wish this, $1 Wish that. It's so cheap, and I mentioned this in my other video, because you're buying directly from the manufacturer. So you're getting it directly from the source, and that's why it's so inexpensive. So this is the cheapest doll that I could possibly find on this website. I just want to see how luxurious these dolls can get. That is the most expensive one that I found, and I'll just find a price range in the middle that's like in between. Now the dolls are here and I am so nervous, but I'm so excited to open them up. It's like I just bought a little family on Wish. First one, this is the cheapest. I'm a little scared, but it's okay. We haven't seen it yet just because it's like really small. Oh my god, it's really small. I feel like it's kind of like heavy though. Like, this is scary. This is terrifying. I've always been scared of like baby dolls and stuff. No, not baby dolls. I've always loved baby dolls. I was scared of like the other porcelain ones. It's so pretty, like the lashes, it like creeps me out. Certificate of birth and authenticity. We certify that this is an original and limited doll, crafted of the finest silicone. So date of birth, oh my god, you fill this out. Yeah, thank you. Date of birth, March 11th. Okay, I don't know how much it weighs. All right, I'm really gonna weigh this baby. Oh my gosh, guys, this is 11 ounces. It's not even a pound. It's a tiny, tiny baby. Oh my gosh, I just feel like I have to take extra care of it. I think it's a little boy that has beautiful lashes. And his name is, what's your name, son? This is Squish Jr. Yeah, we're always triggered right now. We just went from no kids to 3 children in about an hour. I'm really excited about this video because Squishy Buddy and I are actually getting married soon and I want to have kids. I'm just kidding, not right away. No, I'm definitely gonna wait, but we've been taking marriage classes, which by the way, they're so beautiful. I just feel like this is like another little extension to like our marriage classes. Like, you know, I used to take home ec in high school and we actually got these like really realistic dolls that would cry and everything. So I actually got so attached to my freaking doll that I had to be a mom for. It was like 3 days. And I am not kidding. This is so dramatic and ridiculous. But the night before I turned in my baby, I cried. I cried. Baby doll number 1, Squish Jr. On to the next. Next up, not the cheapest, but not the most expensive. So this is like the average one. The one in the middle. This was $74, which is a little bit more on the pricey side. The legit real born babies, the average price that I've seen is like $300 to $400. Even the most expensive one that I'll show you after, it's nowhere near that. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's like heavy. It's scaring me. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is like what a baby weighs. This is creeping me out. Honey, get out of that bag. It just feels so real. Like I think we got a little lunch lady in the house. I'm just kidding. Why does the head feel like real? Oh my god, this is creepy. She is actually the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. It's still like the legs, they still feel like, you know, like the typical doll and stuff. It's just like the detail is insane. Like her skin is not like freaking me out. It feels like, you know, like a doll, but it is like a little soft on the softer side. But her face and just like her hair and stuff, and the fact that she weighs like a freaking human, like her adorable outfit, it's creepy. I think it's fake hair. It's just so soft. Oh my gosh, her pacifier queen. Oh my gosh, it's like a magnet. It sticks. I have a little niece that is actually about this freaking size. When I'm carrying this doll like this, I could almost envision carrying an actual baby. Like I envision carrying my niece. But then obviously like I'd look at it and I'm like, okay, well it's a doll. Oh my gosh, this is for the oh my gosh. I feel a diaper. I'm dead. It is. She has a freaking diaper on. This is a real diaper. What's her name? Oh my gosh. What is her name?
Little Penelope.
Little Penelope. Penelope's gonna be shook. Her name is Penelope. She's such a queen. Look at her. Her outfit and everything. Her diaper. Her freaking bottle. Her magnetic pacifier. Like it's so cute. I love her. Let's do a quick little comparison. I think it's safe to say spending a few extra bucks is always worth it. But I think it just depends on how old the child is. Like this is totally for, I feel like a 10-year-old, this would feel so realistic. To a freaking 10-year-old, they're like, this is a freaking real baby, you know? And then this, you know, for like if you're 4 years old, can't really be carrying this around. It's like half your weight. This one would make more sense, but look at the difference. On to the most expensive one. This one's really cute, but it's actually just the one in the middle. In the process of making this video and buying all my baby dolls, I was doing my research, and there's people that collect them and they vlog with them. And they'll be like, oh, she's been so fussy today. She's giving me a hard day. And I'm just like, what? I don't know if it's like an act. I don't know, comment down below what are your thoughts on that, because I've definitely seen those channels. It's really interesting though, because like I'm like hooked. This one was $92, so I kind of have high hopes for this. Oh my goodness, she is so cute. Oh shoot, she's heavier. Okay, even the packaging, it's like legit. Like I could definitely see this. I'm like, okay, it's more on the expensive side. Okay, she's actually sleeping. Oh my god, this thing is heavy. Like this is a freaking child. Look what she's wearing. I love her outfit actually. Oh my god, she's little Karina Bear. That's her name. First name Karina, middle name Bear. Oh my gosh. She's a little thick, huh, honey? Why am I actually excited for this? I'm supposed to be creeped out. I'm living. I would be so excited as a kid right now. What is up with this hair, honey? Oh, I'm not ready to be a mom. Oh, she comes with a tag. Some people take these dolls really seriously. She has the pacifier as well. She has her bottle. This one's actually a cuter bottle. And she has a teddy bear to cuddle with. This feels like an actual... Penny, calm down. Are you wearing a diaper? Oh, she is wearing a diaper. So let's compare these. They're very similar, but this one's skin is a little bit more realistic. I feel like it's squishier. And also her skin, it just has like more dimension. If I was buying one of these dolls, like for my kid or for whatever reason, you might be better off with this one. I mean, you do get a teddy bear, and like I feel like she does have like her clothes is more high quality and stuff, but I don't know. They're both very similar. So this is the 3 dolls that are now my children. Honey, you need to learn to keep this on your head, okay? Come on, children, let's go. Come on. Roll, grab the other bottle, please. Okay, so my little brother and sister are getting home from school right now, and I decided I'm gonna put these dolls in my brother's bed. I wonder if it's gonna freak him out.
You should also put a fake baby cry.
Oh my god! Look how peaceful they look. This is stressing me out. So I'm gonna put this under the pillow, and he's gonna come upstairs.
¿Qué quieres? Debe perseguir a paso. ¿Cuál bebé? No sé. ¿Qué bebé? ¿El bombero? No, está como 2. No sé yo nada. Ve, ándale, prende la luz. ¡Ma! Ve.
What do you think of my new children, David? You know I like adopted them, right?
Yeah, but you're not real.
Well, I love our family.
One big happy family.
Little baby.
Oh look, he had little bunnies, Karina. Little bunnies.
Oh my on.
There's a bunny. Oh.
Oh. I'm taking you to court. Imagine.
No. For the kids. This baby's gonna drive.
This is hilarious. Why are we doing this? She's stuck. Oh my god. Oh my god, Squish Jr. is literally like suffocating.
He's not breathing.
This is so embarrassing. Like there's people legit looking at us right now.
Okay.
There they are, happy siblings.
Squish is fast.
This is so freaking embarrassing. There's people literally looking at us. I think there's people recording. This is so awkward. Let's get out of here.
Karina, you forgot your other two babies. You forgot Squish Jr. and Penelope. Come on, dude.
Come on, my children. It's been a long day.
Take a nap.
Squishy! It's not scary, I promise. Chubbs, please.
What do you want to hold? Squish Jr.
He likes a little one. He knows that one's a doll. But I think he thinks that this might be a human being, and he doesn't know her, so he's like, you know. He's like, why are her fingers so hard? You big baby.
No. Put her back, Chef.
That's what. Tina, do you like your friends? Look at your friends.
He's so confused right now.
Yes.
He's like, wow.
Oh, little girl.
Okay, so I had Marisol bring some of Tina's clothes over. Look at these shoes. So freaking adorable. And I just thought, you know what? My poor child has no shoes on, so I think these are perfect for her. Oh wow, they kind of fit a little bit. And it just covers the hair. Oh my gosh, look how precious she looks. Look at those hips, honey. Thick queen. Okay. Oh my god, this looks terrifying. This is something out of a nightmare.
She had like this armor.
Is it scary? Look at her hips. It's fine. We lost a pacifier already. We are such amazing parents. Where are the bottles? Pacifiers, we don't know. The only one that I'm having issues with is Squish Jr. because he was the cheapest one I could find. And he's pretty small. So like newborn clothes doesn't fit on him. Tina's clothes fits perfectly on these dolls. They're the same size as her. It's kind of scary.
His fathering skills.
They'll be fine.
Wow, what a day. So that was it for this video, buying weird babies on Wish. Let me know if you want to see me be a real parent to real life human beings, because that would be interesting. Comment your suggestions down below and you might get a weird video like this one. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.